This power bank has 10 mAh, which is made by Hoco. So let's see what is inside the package. So that's Chinese material packing. There is a small wire. There is a documentation. So let's see what this is. A charging bank, and it has where is the output? Right there, the type C. This is a micro USB and the regular USB. So that's all thing, but it supports the wireless charging also. And then I have this one. So let's see what's the difference in it. So this is comparatively good packing than that. So the same thing here. It has a micro cable, and this is a wireless charger. So it is also support the same output as USB, but it doesn't have it don't have the type C. So let me know in the comment which one you like.